back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it as always. Over the course of my YouTube channel, I have reviewed lots of different lashes. I've reviewed magnetic style lashes from brands like Moxie Lash, Ardell, Lashed Up, that type of thing. I've reviewed traditional style lashes that just use the regular type of glue. And then I've reviewed like special glueless lashes. This time around, I was intrigued from a brand that boasted to be magic lashes, and that brand is called Viciley. And I'm thinking one of the main reasons why they're called magic lashes is because they claim they are glue-free and completely magnet-free, which is one of the main reasons why I was intrigued to try them. And before we get started, I just want to give y'all a quick disclaimer that this brand did reach out to me. They sent me 3 lash kits for free for my review, and I just want to let y'all know I'm not affiliated with this company. So if y'all click on the link that I have in the description box, I will not receive a penny of the money that you buy. So usually whenever you click on something, it's an affiliate code and I will get like a certain percentage of the sale. This is not one of them. So I'm not going to receive any percentage of the sale if you choose to buy. But they sent me 3 lash kits for free, 2 of which I'm going to give away to y'all because I don't need 3 in here. And I was going to give the other one away, but since I used it, I might as well just keep it. But these 2 are going to go back to y'all. And as always, I'm always going to give y'all the ins and outs of the product, whether it's good quality, whether it's bad quality, whether it's something you should stay away from, and if it's ultimately worth your money. So if you are interested in watching this Viciley magic eyeliner, eyelash, and mascara review, then please keep on watching. So first things first, I want to talk about what you're going to get in your Viciley eyelash kit. And whenever you get it in the mail, this is what the packaging looks like. So it's this really nice black packaging. It kind of has this little slidey piece right here. And then whenever you take that off, this is what the outer unit carton looks like. And it has this really nice red packaging. You turn it around, it has this little girl on here. And then whenever you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. So it has a little card that tells you all the ingredients in here. And then this is what the packaging looks like. So this is your magic eyeliner. This is your mascara. It has some really good quality tweezers in here. And then it has 2 separate pairs of lashes. So it has these lashes that are in this really nice plastic packaging. This is great for travel. And then it has another one underneath here. So this is going to last you a good long while. So like most lash brands, whenever you go on their website, the price of the kit is going to depend on the style of the lashes. So in this video, I'm wearing the diamond style lashes. So this is what they look like. And I just love the way these look. They're really, really nice and round. They make your eyes look really nice and big. And these retail for $29.99. The smaller the lashes and the more like demure the lashes, the less expensive it's going to be. So these are the Natural Dawn lashes, and these are $24.99. So I'm thinking that the bigger and more dramatic the lashes, the more expensive they are. I have another pair. These are the Morphlings, and these have like a shorter inner corner and a longer outer corner, and these are $29.99 as well. So nothing on their website is over $29.99 as far as their lash kits go, but depending on the style of the lashes that you get will depend on the price, if that makes sense. And just to get kind of the nitty-gritty stuff out of the way, this brand does offer an unconditional 7-day money-back guarantee. So 7 days from the receipt that you get these, you can contact the company and you can send them back. You are responsible for return shipping costs, which I know is kind of an aggravation, but that is the rules of the road with this brand. They also offer a warranty within 30 days. So if they break or if something goes wrong, you can return them if they're defective within 30 days or they'll replace them or something like that. You're gonna have to contact them for all like the specifics or go on their FAQ page. And also, something that I thought was really important is their return address is located on their website and is actually a US return address. I think it's in Chicago, Illinois, if I'm not mistaken, which is really important because a lot of times with this like made in China stuff, they want you to send it to China, and that's more expensive than a lot of the times that the goods that you're buying is. So it's just important information. These are also cruelty-free and have a 30 times usage. So you can use these lashes up to 30 times. So let's talk about what you get in each kit. And once again, this is what the packaging looks like. And I just love the way it looks. I love the really pretty shiny black with the red ombre. It's really, really pretty and popping. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. And this is the packaging. It's just so, so pretty. And whenever you open it up, this is what the pen looks like. So it's a really nice fine tipped felt tip applicator, which I love. I always prefer felt tip applicators rather than the brush tip applicators to just have a little bit more control. And in the pen, you get 0.6 grams of product. And I was trying to compare it with other brands that I have, and the only other liquid eyeliner that I have this full size is from the brand Clio Professional. And this is their Kill Black. And in this one, you get 0.2 grams. So you get quite a bit more product in this one than you do with a regular pen applicator. Next up is the mascara. And once again, it has this really nice, pretty gradient from red to black packaging. And whenever you open it up, this is what the mascara looks like. So I'm just gonna say right off the bat, I hate this applicator. For one thing, it's one of those like silicone, really firm applicators that I don't really like, but it's also very, very small. So you get a lot of mascara right away. And the amount of ingredients that you get in the mascara is 0.3 grams. And the only one that I had to compare it to is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And this has 0.28 grams. So once again, you get more in the Viciley mascara than you do in the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So the third thing you're gonna get in your kit is a really nice quality pair of tweezers. And this is what they look like. So these are the Viciley tweezers. They have the branding on the handle right here. And I don't know if you can tell online, but these have a really nice curvature to the handle, so it really makes them easy to hold. And they also have a really nice sharp edge right here. So these are really good quality tweezers. I was actually surprised whenever I took these out and felt them. They're actually real metal. I found these type of tweezers to be a little bit user-friendly, more user-friendly whenever I was applying these, at least at first. So whenever I was putting these on, I just kind of dropped them on the center of the lid, and it worked a little bit better, and I had a little bit more control than whenever I used it with these. These came in handy whenever I was like kind of tacking on the sides here, but initially these were my go-to. So lastly, and absolutely the most important part of the video, is the lashes. So this is what the diamond lashes look like, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I just love how flirty and full they are. The band is really easy to work with. It's not too flimsy, it's not too hard, so it doesn't pop up on the edges. It's just really, really nice, and major discovery just now. So I was thinking that they only came with 2 lashes per kit. It's actually 3 lashes per kit. So whenever you pick this up, they actually have one hidden underneath there. So each one you can actually store in this little container here, and it just makes it super, super easy to travel with, super easy to store in your makeup cabinet or your makeup drawer. Just stack each one and be done with it. And I just want to say these lashes are actually very good quality. I am a big fan of Moxie lashes. Y'all know this if you've been watching my channel for a while. And these lashes are right there. I mean, like, I would say tied in quality with them. It's definitely worth it. These are so, so pretty. So before, when I was doing the calculations, I was thinking you were gonna get just 5 items for $30, when in actuality, you're actually getting 6 items for $30. So that equates to $5 a piece. So $5 for the liner, $5 for the mascara, $5 for each lash, and then $5 for the tweezers. And in my opinion, that's quite reasonable. So if y'all been watching my channel for a while, particularly my eyelash reviews, you're gonna know that I kind of like to go in an order of operations. So I like to apply the eyeliner first, kind of let it dry, and then curl mascara, and then apply the lashes. And luckily, the Viciley lashes are exactly the same. However, the only difference is the first time that you're gonna get these is you're gonna wanna shake the little container first. So this is the eyeliner that I haven't used. You're gonna wanna shake it first, and then it has a little lip right here, and you wanna push that down until it clicks, and then wait 5 minutes, because the product is actually going to seep down into the pen. Kind of like traditional eyeliners do, except the felt is usually black. This one is white, so you're going to be able to see it. And today was actually the first time that I've ever tried this liquid liner, and I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised. It is super, super opaque. It is very user-friendly. It doesn't bunch up, it doesn't jump around. The formula is very, very nice. It does come out to a patent finish, which some people don't like. Some people like a matte finish, but whenever you put the lashes on top, you really can't notice the difference. But the formula is actually excellent. it just performed really, really well. And I have to say that this is probably going to be my go-to liner even when I'm not going to wear these false lashes, because the liner is really good quality. The mascara was actually a little bit of a disappointment for me. I'm not crazy about the formula. If y'all been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I am obsessed with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I just love the way that it makes my lashes look. It really holds the curl. I love the way the wand is shaped. It's just such a nice formula. It's a drier formula, but whenever you first get it, it's just a little bit more wet. So over the course of the drying period, it just gets, in my opinion, it gets better and better and better. With this formula, it is very, very wet, very goopy, and I don't like the way the wand is shaped. First of all, it is a silicone wand, so I don't know if you can tell, but it is like the little spiky little silicone bits, but they're not quite long enough to hold like all the product on there, so it's a little bit on the goopy side. It deposited a lot of product right away, and it kind of freaked me out a little bit, to be honest. I wasn't really sure what I should do, if I should leave that alone, leave it on there, because I don't know what part this mascara has to play in the whole like magic lash system. But if I have to use this product to make the whole lash system work, I'm still okay with using it, but I might use a different lash wand. So I'm thinking about maybe just using this one. As far as the lashes go, I absolutely love the style and the quality of the lashes. They are very, very pretty. They're very high quality. I cannot believe they're actually $5 a piece in this kit. That just amazes me. I love that. And overall, I love the way the lashes look on the eye. Whenever I applied the eyeliner in the order of operations that I was talking about a few minutes ago, I let that dry, then I curled my lashes, applied the mascara, and then I applied the lashes. They went on with no problem. And I hate regular style, like traditional style lashes where you have to put the glue on and you have to let it dry and then you put it on like this. It just is not my thing. And that's why I've always kind of swayed towards the magnetic lashes. It just kind of takes the work out of it. You put the liner on and then they kind of snap into place. This is kind of like that, except there's no magnets. So there's a glue aspect of it, but it's not like a latex glue that you have to sit there and work with and finagle with, and it's not like that. So overall, I have to say that I actually am very impressed with these lashes. The styling is very nice. The price is fantastic. The quality is excellent, apart from the mascara. And if you're the type of person who actually likes these silicone mascara wands, then this kit is going to be right up your alley. So I just want to say that this was a super fun video to film. I loved trying out this product. It was super, super fun. And if this product wasn't sent to me, I'm just going to say it, y'all, if it wasn't sent to me, I would 100% buy it again. So look out for this product in future videos, because y'all, it's pretty dang on good. I am like convinced. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this Viciley eyelash kit review. I hope y'all found this video helpful, enjoyable, and informative. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And once again, thank y'all so, so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.